ice. This is about 4 to 6 inches deep, and we're just on top of ice right now. Here's the little hot tent thing we made last night. We're debating about cutting a hole in the tarp and adding a stove jack tonight. We're making breakfast. We got a little fire going right here. Good times. Just cold. It was like 2 degrees last night, so that was cold. And we just had the buddy heaters going. So like on the ground level where we were sleeping, it was still like freezing cold. But then like up like face level, if you stood up, it was like 60 degrees. Here's the breakfast that Daniel's cooking.
My hands are freezing, dude. I could just chop it off, cook it.
Yeah.
Like, I don't even
get
chop it, I could just like whack it harder, it'd probably just fall off.
Got this cool frozen creek.
I wanted to see how deep this was.
I don't see any problems here.
I think it's maybe... Whoa, that's so crazy, guys.
2 inches?
Not even 2 inches. Out through it. But it's a lot thicker where I'm standing. Because look, it's as thick as this is over here. Yeah, I feel it.
It's as thick as it looks. Quote of the day. Here it is. We just got done putting the stove jack on, and we got the stove inside, stove jack, and the chimney up. Inside we go. Through in here. And 2 stoves right here. This is gonna be nice and hopefully toasty warm tonight. All of our sleeping stuff. All right. This is great. We've been hard at work. Splitting all this wood, taking breaks to warm up by the fire.
Done, Andy.
Getting ready for tonight so we can be warm in the hot tent. Homemade hot tent.
Let's break this.
Strong. Just stuck the potatoes in. Getting ready to cook the steaks and some broccoli. Got the broccoli going. It is frigid. It's like 12 degrees right now.
Balmy. It's called balmy.
Cold.
I kind of want to bring my propane heater closer. That would require bringing the tank inside here, and I don't trust that. I trust
Why don't you you scared that like maybe the seals are loose or something?
It has leaked before. I have woken up in the morning and come outside and heard.
Getting ready for breakfast. There's the setup. Now my French press is thawed out and I can get the coffee ready.
Oh, the battery bank. Yeah.
It's pretty warm in here.
I have the battery bank right there.
I don't feel like moving all the way over there.
Is your phone dying or something? Did it?
I think the stove's going out.
Well, now packing up camp. Oh, this was fun. See you in the next one.